Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something special for all you aspiring programmers out there. If you're ready to take your coding skills to the next level, then stick around because I'm going to share 5 expert tips to help you transition from a beginner to an advanced programmer. Alright, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. It's tempting to jump straight into building complex projects, but trust me, having a solid understanding of the basics is crucial. Spend time mastering core concepts like data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming. These fundamentals will be the foundation for everything you do. Moving on to tip number 2. Advanced programmers know that code is read more often than it is written. Use meaningful variable names, write comments where necessary, and keep your functions and methods short and to the point. Clean code not only helps others understand your work, but also makes debugging and maintenance a lot easier. Now, tip number 3. Get your hands dirty by working on projects that solve real problems. Whether it's contributing to open source projects, building your own apps, or freelancing, real-world experience is invaluable. It helps you learn how to apply your skills in practical scenarios and exposes you to the tools and techniques used in the industry. Tip number 4. Design patterns are tried and tested solutions to common problems in software design. Familiarize yourself with patterns like singleton, observer, and factory. Using design patterns makes your code more robust, reusable, and easier to understand. And finally, tip number 5. Technology is always evolving and there's always something new to learn. Follow industry news, read blogs, take online courses, and experiment with new languages and frameworks. Staying curious and continuously improving your skills is what will set you apart as an advanced programmer. So, there you have it, 5 expert tips to level up your coding skills. Master the fundamentals, write clean code, work on real-world projects, learn design patterns, and never stop learning. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.